Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my April Boxycharm here. I have the base, I have the premium. As you know, I believe I mentioned it in the last video. I already did remove myself from getting the Luxe box because I was getting a little too many products and I only got one face. So I'm going to stick with just doing the base and premium for right now. So we're just going to get right on in. So I'm going to open up my base box. I don't even know what any of this stuff is. I didn't even look. I just zip, with a knife, or I had my boyfriend do it. So I was able to get into it, opened it up for me. And this is Boxycharm and it has hashtag Boxy Spring Revival. There we are there. Get rid of the packaging that's inside of it. First we have Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. It's this right here. It is $38. I don't know why. I thought that would have been actually more money, but it's not. It's the packaging right there. I got 240N, so hopefully this will match me now. If not, it'll be like my transitioning to having a full-blown tan time for the summer. That we get there. Next we have the Celia by Celine Tardrisi. It's Glacier Clay Cleanser. And that is right there. I don't know who that is. And it says it's brand new to Boxy and it is $45. It is this gentle glacier cleanser cream helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal a fresh glowing appearance. Well, that sounds fun, and I don't mind having some more cleansers. Next we have Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. Is this it? Yes, it is. I've just been grabbing boxes in this box, and it's actually been the product. I haven't had to search for it really. And it is that kind of a packaging. It's really actually cool. I like that. It's very simple, but nice. Very nice. Okay, the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid thing is, I love hyaluronic acid, so this will definitely be being put to use. It's a perfect serum for all ages. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works to quickly reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. $45. Next we have Item Beauty by Addison Rae, and it is this thing. It is a lash snack lengthening mascara, and it says it's a flake-free smudge-proof lengthening mascara, and it's packed with nourishing lash boosters and hydrating conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil, so the lashes can live large. This is $15. Let's open it up and take a look. The color is Midnight Mood. And the packaging is so neat. You just open it up like that. Now let me just tell you, this is absolutely stinking cute. And why can't I get it out? I love that packaging. It is so cool. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to dry out. Thing is, I just wish they would give you an option if you want waterproof mascaras or whatever, but I think like really high-end stuff doesn't come in waterproof for some known reason. I don't know why, but they need to start because some people cannot do non-waterproof. I will try them, but you know, my lashes will go down like this. It's bad enough I already have to curl them. Okay, next we have Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow. I don't really do liquid eyeshadows. This gorgeous metallic pink shade creates a beautiful tone while radiating a subtle shimmering glow. This is $22, and this is the packaging right there. I'm going to open it up. Color is Rose Quartz. And it is like this. It's a very pretty color. Let's swatch this though. I don't know if I'd ever use it, but that is the color right there. I don't know if you can see it. Looks more like a highlighter than a liquid eyeshadow. That, just get it back in the box. Why don't we? Haha. Next box we have, oh, did I bump you? I'm sorry. Ever since I redid my room, the new little shelving thing here, which you will be seeing in obviously last week's video that I put up, it's a little larger than what the thing was that was there. So my lights that's behind this and you guys are a little closer than usual, so we're just gonna get intimate here, very up close and personal from now on, but that's fine. And like in the base box, it's the same thing, same little pack, cardboard thing, whatever the heck you want to call it, postcard thing. Get rid of all the packaging that came in there. We have first a Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. This I did pick, so let's take a quickie look. I don't know nothing about any of this stuff, so love this packaging. And it is this. Yes, I did open this one because that's all I went in here for, because I wanted to see if it was good. Problem is, I didn't know that it was a cream blush, so I'm going to, it's like, I mean, when you rub it out on the skin, I mean, I don't know if you can see, it's like very little. I'm not a cream blush girl, so if I did, I would probably put this down. I don't know if you guys can see it better. And that's the color. It's like very, very faint. It's very light. And this is the highlighter. Wow, I think I just did too much, but put it back in there. Let's see. And the highlighter is a goldy color right here. It's pretty. Will it work for my face? Maybe when I'm tan, but I don't know. I mean, the cream blush actually doesn't feel like slippy, slidey, but I don't know how much use I will get out of this. I mean, I'll use it, but would I purchase something like this? Probably not. I just wish the blush was a powder and not a cream. I understand it's like cream products are all of a sudden like the rage out there, and I'm just not a cream product type of girl. Give me powders. I don't care if I look dry. I will use a setting spray to moisturize my face after. Okay, so I don't know if I said $42, and it is a Boxy exclusive. We have here next is the Herbivore Botanicals Bakuchi Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. Lovely. That is not it. And this is it. Oh, and there she goes. She's starting to scream. And the packaging right in there. And we're going to open this up. See what this packaging looks like. I love simple packaging. I like that. It's a little purpley. I'm not opening it to smell it because I don't want to, you know, get air in there and expose it to anything out here until I'm actually ready to use it. But I actually kind of really like that. And it is $54. Next we have the Dr. Brandt eye cream. It's a new launch. As an eye cream that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. Well, I don't have really a lot, if any, wrinkles on my eyeballs, but squeaky bed. Gotta get comfy. But I will use it. $82 though, for this little guy right here. This little guy here, $82. I'm okay. I don't want to spend that much. Next, we have here another thing that's very expensive, and it is the Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil. I don't even want to open this up to smell it, but it sounds like it's going to smell delicious. And this is $88. It's a blended with almond oil and vitamin E with decadent body oil leaves. This decadent oil leaves skin soft and scented. It's brand new to Boxy. So $88. Simple packaging. A simple bottle. That's all it is. It's just a plain glass bottle. I don't know if this is going to be covered. No, it's not. Smells like Easter flowers. If anybody knows what Easter flowers smell like, the ones that are always on sale at corners and stuff, like at gas stations and grocery stores and stuff like that, and you walk in and you get that smell, and then as growing up when you're little, you know, you get that for your mom for Easter, and you hate the smell, and then they go outside and they get planted, and then it stinks all spring because my freaking hair. You guys should know that when my hair is up, I'm always going to freaking say my freaking hair. But you know what? I like my hair up. I don't like my hair down. This is my hair's due for the weekends. So just, you know, enjoy the look. Okay. Back to the product. So it smells like the Easter flowers. If anybody knows what I am talking about, I'm sure, because my mom will be watching this video as she watches every single one of my videos. Hi, Mom. She will know what I'm talking about when I say Easter flowers. My son also watches my videos too, but I don't know if he knows what Easter flowers smell like. I mean, he's 26, so I don't know. I never received flowers from him for Easter, which is fine, but I don't know if he ever been around while I, you know, bought them for my mom or not. I can't remember. He's 26. Just think about that. Okay, so yeah, very expensive. Next we have My Beauty By Me Black Liquid Eyeliner. And it is, I guess this is a collaboration? I don't know. It says My Beauty Brand X By Me. I mean, I don't know. Is that not a collaboration? Or is that just what this is called? It's just a liquid eyeliner. It's $20. It's the newly holy grail product created for both the eyeliner expert and winged eye novice. I don't do winged eyeliner. I have used liquid eyeliner just to line the very top part of my eyelids, especially when you're going to go out before the ick that's out there. And especially when on New Year's, you glam it up, I do it then. Alright, next. Oh, and that's, I don't know. I think I said it was 20 bucks. Look, my memory has been getting really bad. So we have Endota Hydrating Lip Balm. Protect your pout with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. It's $25. It's brand new to Boxy. Before I open it, that's the pretty packaging. Love that color. So summery and beachy. And oh, this is a pretty color packaging. I like the packaging. Let me see. Smells lovely. It smells like a mint vanilla. So I've had lip balms that smell like that already, and it's very refreshing on the lip. Cool effect. So that is all I have in my Boxycharms for the month of April. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharms. If you got the same things, if you're already using these things, let me know what you like or don't like about any of the products in here. And the liquid eyeshadow does not budge, okay? So it's not going anywhere. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, comment. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.